I take the floor to reject the preposterous comments made by Pakistan against my country. Lectures by a country which has an abysmal track record of democracy is laughable. The Union territories of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh, they have been and will always remain an integral and inalienable part of India. Pakistan would be well advised to stop its terror factories that continue to launch countless cross-border terrorist attacks in Jammu and Kashmir. Pakistan has an established history of harboring, aiding, and actively supporting terrorists. Let me recall that Osama bin Laden, the face of global terror, was found in Pakistan. I take the floor to reject the preposterous comments made by Pakistan against my country. India is the largest democracy in the world, and I'm privileged that many consider the Indian democracy a model to be emulated. Lectures by a country which has an abysmal track record of democracy is laughable, to say the least. It would have been better if Pakistan did not undermine the importance of a platform like IPU by such absurd allegations and false narratives. As regards the Union territories of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh, they have been and will always remain an integral and inalienable part of India. No amount of rhetoric and propaganda from anyone can override this fact. Instead, Pakistan would be well advised to stop its terror factories that continue to launch countless cross-border terrorist attacks in Jammu and Kashmir while farcically claiming to champion the cause of human rights. IPU members are well aware that Pakistan has an established history of harboring, aiding, and actively supporting terrorists. Let me recall that Osama bin Laden, the face of global terror, was found in Pakistan. Madam Speaker, the country Pakistan holds the ignoble record of hosting one of the largest number of terrorists proscribed by the UN Security Council. I trust that Pakistan will draw the correct lessons for the good of its own people.